Now, agenda for this week is we will see what is visualization, data visualization. Why do we need to do some data visualizations, and what are the types of data visualizations, and what are the different visualization tools that are there out there, and then we will install Power BI. I'll explain a little bit about Power BI, and then we will install Power BI, and also we will see what Power BI is. That is the agenda for today. And can you all access chat on the on Teams? Can you just check and let me know? Yeah, okay. So now let's proceed. Okay, what is data visualization? What is data visualization? Can anyone answer?
I think it's like presenting data online.
Presenting data online. Okay, presenting data online in form of what?
In form of a graph.
In the form of a graph. Okay, that is good.
Looking.
Yeah. Anyone else?
Graph.
Zidan?
Looking like pleasure, like looking.
Presenting format in a presenting data in a graphical format.
Yes. Okay. Next, who wants to answer? Hamsita?
It's like when you're showing the data in a graph.
Yeah. And Jaishnav?
It's presentation of a data in a pictorial or graphical format.
Okay. Just reading. Okay. Adya? I can't unmute.
Representing a set of data in a graph or another image.
Image as well. Okay. Gatik?
Like putting data on like a graph and showing it on my computer.
Okay. Nayanika?
Presenting data in the form of graphs and charts for better understanding.
Okay. Yonita?
We could also represent data in like maps and charts.
Yes, very good, very good. Okay. Okay, I think you know what visualization is now, right? Little bit, at least basics, okay? Now, okay, so why are we presenting data in a pictorial or graph format? So main thing is, if we have lots of data, can we, if we look at the data, can we make some decisions, or can we see what is going on? Can we understand what is going on if we have lots of data? Just the data without any graphic representation? Yes or no?
No.
No, right? Anyone says yes? No, right? Okay. So that is the reason we have to do some kind of a data visualization so that people can understand what is there in the data. What is the trend that is going? Is it, for example, if the we look at football, if we look at football statistics year by year, is the football, I don't know, football, is it increasing or decreasing? The scores, are they increasing by players or decreasing? Or is it a increase, decrease? That kind of analysis, that kind of trend we can see, right? So that's one of the uses.
Yes.
And another form of visual art, data visualization is another form of visual art that grabs our interest and keeps our eyes on the message. So if you have lots of data in one file and without any graphical representation, we cannot understand that, right? But if we represent it in a visual format, we will understand straight away that okay, this player is not playing properly from the past 3 years, but he has played really well for the past 10 years, something like that. Okay, something must be wrong. So that kind of analysis you can, that kind of message you can get if you try and represent the data in a pictorial format where you can understand what is happening with the data, right? Okay, so now, and also you can use this data visualization to tell stories. Okay, to tell stories, to highlight trends, and also sometimes what happens is you can identify outliers. So, for example, a car, you have a car trip statistics. Let's say you have taxi trip statistics, and everything is going on fine in the trends, but for some reason, for 1 month there was no data, or for 1 month the data that you have is very high. You would want to find out why that is called outliers. So you would want to find out why that outlier has occurred. Sometimes it could be data entry issue. Sometimes it could be something else. So you would want to try and analyze the reason for these outliers. Okay. Any questions? Somebody has their hand up. Gatik, do you have any question?
Oh no.
Okay. Yeah. Any questions? Did you understand what data visualization is? Yes? Okay,
Yeah.
that's good. Yeah, okay, that's good. Okay, now let's proceed to next one. Okay, why do we need to do data visualization? I have one point here. Adya?
It's
So we can understand what the data is about.
Okay, we can understand. If you want to understand, then you need to do data visualization. Yes, okay. Yonita?
We can compare like large amounts of data easily rather than like, seeing them in written format. We can visualize them easily.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Hamsita?
It's when it's neat and easy to read, like it's easy for us and it's well designed, yeah.
Okay, Shriyans?
if the data visualization is well designed, it's very simple and easy to read,
Very
and we
good.
can
Okay.
understand it way better.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Shriyans, okay. Ravi Nakala, I forgot again your name.
Advik.
Advik, yeah. Yeah.
So like you after you visualize the data, you can use it for development in business. Or
Yeah, development of business. Oh, that's good. Yes, yes, very good. Krisot.
Like, so
Unmute.
like people can like use the data, like see it in a more clearer and like easier way to understand. So they can like plan for the future about if they're doing a business, like for the business.
Yes, plan for the future.
Yeah.
That's good. Alina.
So business can make the right decision.
Okay, that's good. Zidan.
To make data meaningful.
Okay, that's really good. Gatik.
it's so you can analyze data easier.
Easier. Okay. Sudhendra. Sudhendra is not okay. Charishma. No, okay. Okay, let's continue. Shanti. Okay. Yeah.
Because it's like an easier form to like understand.
Easier form to understand. Okay. What's your name? I forgot.
Arosh.
Arush, Advik. Okay. Vihan,
To understand data is easier.
understand data easier. Okay, that's good. Okay, now let's proceed further and see why we have what points I have. Okay, provides visual access to huge amount of data in easily digestible visuals, which most of you have mentioned, and help identify and act on emerging trends faster. So somebody has said future, we improve the future, right? So yeah, you can do that. And then well-designed data graphics are usually the simplest and at the same time most powerful. Okay, do you think that it is powerful? Why do you think that it's powerful? Couple of people can answer. Okay. Yes, yes. Okay. That's good. Okay. So why data visualization we have seen. Now, what are the types of data visualizations? Now you tell me what you think are the different types of data visualizations. You can name them. Have you seen any data visualizations or have you done anything in your school work or yeah, pie charts? Very good. Krishna.
I've done graph papers.
Graph paper. Okay, graph paper. On graph paper, what did you do?
Graphs, I mean, graphs.
Graphs. Okay. Yeah. What kind of, yeah, bar graphs? Yes, bar graphs. And time chart. What is time chart? Yeah, you can start typing charts and graphs. What kind of chart? Yeah, charts and graphs, pie charts. Yes.
Tally chart.
Yeah, tally chart. Okay, yeah. Tally chart, line graphs, pie, histogram. Yes, very good. Scatter plot. Very good, very good. Yeah. That's good. You know these things. Okay, let me start with what I have. Okay, scatter plot, charts, tables. Table also is you can represent a table as well in a meaningful format. Okay, graphs, maps also, infographics, dashboards, heat maps, and scatter plots. Okay, so all your charts, pie charts and line charts and bar graphs, all those come under here. Okay. So now you understand you understand that there are different types of data visualizations that you can do. And some of the visualizations are suited for some of the analysis that you can do. Okay. Okay, now let's come to data visualization tools. What are the tools that you have heard? Can you name some of them? Frequency tables. What is the frequency tables? What are the tools? Can some of you tell? Yonita? Or you can type in the chat.
Stem and leaf graph.
Sorry, what was that? Google. Google is a tool for visualization?
I think Excel sheets.
Okay. Excel sheets, yeah, you can use for tables, right? Yeah, that's good. And you can do a lot of graphs as well. That's good. Power BI is good.
Levi.
Maps is not a data visualization tool. Google Insights, yeah, very good. Power BI, Google Charts, yes. Copilot. Copilot is not a data visualization tool. Katik, okay. Google spreadsheets are good. Yeah, okay. Pen and paper to draw the graph. Well done, Vihan. Very good. Okay, Tableau, very good, Zidan.
What about Excel sheet?
Yeah. Excel also is a okay. I think I think now I get the confidence that you know what a tool is, what a data visualization tool is. Let me see what I have put here. Okay, so there is there are three. These are the main industry standard tools that companies use at work. Okay, one is Tableau, the other one is called ClickView. There is Open for Innovation NIME and also MicroStrategy, and there are several other tools like you have identified, like Google Spreadsheets, Excel, and other tools. What we are going to cover is this part, okay? Power BI part. Okay, now let's start with installing Power BI desktop. Okay, before we start that, I'll just explain you a little bit the Power BI tools. Power BI has a tool called Power BI Desktop, which can be downloaded, and then you can develop the data visualization there within Power BI Desktop. But if you want to share with your friends, that needs to be uploaded to something called Power BI Service. Okay, those are the two things that you need to remember. One is Power BI Desktop, the other one is Power BI Service. Okay, Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. We can't install Power BI Service because it is on the cloud. Okay, we will just work with for this session in the sense for this Power BI classes, the 6 or 7 weeks that we are going to do, we are going to just work on Power BI Desktop. That's it. Okay. Okay, now let's install Power BI Desktop. Let me see what I have. Okay. Yeah, and also this has every month there is a new release, but you don't have to worry about that. Now I'll copy this one and then paste it in the chat, or maybe I'll just go with your I'll stop sharing and share my screen. Okay, I'm pasting this in the chat so that you can click on that and then did you all get it? Dhanushka, Dhanishka, any issue? You have your hand up? Okay, that's good. Yeah, Adya, you have your hand up.
I got the link. Do we click it now?
Yeah, click it. Okay, now what I'll do is you follow me. I'm going to share my screen now. And then see, here is the link, okay? Are you all here? Go there and see here, click on this download. Click on this download.
I didn't get the link.
Sorry?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I didn't get the link.
Did you check the chat?
Bye, take care.
In the chat?
Chat में जाओ ना.
I'm on the chat, but I didn't get the link.
Okay, I think a lot of people have typed. So now I pasted it again. So just go. So Advik, right? Advik, you already have it on your laptop? Then it's
Sorry.
Yeah, I have it.
You have it? Okay, if you have it, then it's okay.
Wait, there's a bit of a problem with mine.
Problem with whose?
Me? Shreyans.
Shreyans. Okay. What is the problem?
It's that they're only exe files.
Yeah, they are exe files. So you depending on your laptop, depending on your laptop, you have to click either this one or that one. My one is this one, so I'm just clicking
My one
on.
is not compatible with any of those.
What are you using? Are you using Mac?
Yes.
Okay, if you are using Mac, then you can't use it. So you just need to maybe, I don't know, you have to use Windows laptop.
Okay, I guess I'll go.
Should
Yeah.
I download the Copilot?
No. Okay. Any other questions? I think 2 hands are up again. Charishma?
I've got a Lenovo one. I've got a Lenovo Windows. I don't know which one to choose.
What? Can you come again?
I have a
Wait, what is it
Lenovo
called?
laptop, a Lenovo Windows, and I don't know which one to choose.
Try this one.
The bottom one.
Bottom one, 64 one. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, try that one. And who else? Gatik, do you have a issue?
Wait. Do we just should we just download now and just wait?
Yeah, you can download. Start downloading. Kumuda? Kumuda, Kritika.
Yes, I have a Mac, so can I not download it on a Mac?
No, Mac you can't. Mac is an issue, so you might have to get some.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, so now, Kumuda. Okay, Kritika.
Can I the Chromebook?
అందులో ఒక దాంట్లో వినొచ్చు కదా
అలా కాదు డాడీ నేను నా క్రోమ్బుక్ నుంచి జాయిన్ అవుతే నేను చేయొచ్చు కదా డాడీ మెటీరియల్ నుంచి మ్యామ్
Daddy.
ఇన్ని ఆపు నేను
నేను చెప్తాను మొత్తం స్టాప్ చేశాను
Can I download it on the Chromebook?
Daddy.
Try, Kritika. I'm not sure. I have not tried on Chromebook. Let's see. Download it, and if you try to install, then what it's going to say, I'm not sure. Yeah, but you try it. We will know now.
It's the Capilot app.
Huh?
It says download the Capilot app.
Okay.
చేస్తుంది
Okay, so okay, Kritika, let's park this thing if there is an issue, okay? And Advik, is there an issue?
No, I don't think you can download it on Chromebook.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I have not downloaded, so yeah, I'm not sure. Okay.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can you send it to the WhatsApp?
What do I
Because it's
send it to
telling me
WhatsApp?
go in my chats.
You can't access your chat?
Daddy.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Can you send it to the WhatsApp because my Chromebook when I join it's not letting me join the meeting, so I can't join from my other Chromebook. So can you please send it to WhatsApp so I
Sure,
can
sure.
get into the link?
Yeah. Okay, yeah. I will do that. Okay.
What do I do after it's after downloaded?
Okay, so now I'm downloading it. Let's see. So 2 of you have Chromebooks. You don't have laptop, normal laptop? Kritika?
No, we don't have a laptop. We only have a Chromebook.
Okay.
Laptop kavalanta Chromebook.
Chromebook, I don't think you can use it. Okay, let's see. 3 of you can't do this because of Chromebook
Tomorrow we will join in a laptop.
Okay. Yeah. So because I'm recording, you follow this tomorrow and then you can install that. Okay.
If the download button goes gray, does that mean it's downloaded?
Daddy.
Yeah, it's downloaded. So if it is downloaded, it will be in your downloads. So I'm just clicking here. Can you all see? I'm clicking here. So which will take me to downloads folder. If I say show in folder. So
I think
I'm
your
just going
screen
to
is
click
gone.
on the executable
Your
here.
screen isn't not working. We can't see a screen.
Stop screen sharing.
Stop screen sharing.
Shut your
I think chat is being abused. I will be disabling chat for next week if you continue doing that. So please refrain from using chat. Okay, can you all see my screen? I clicked on the executable and then it said next, and then I'm English, and then I said next, and then it is installing now. See here? Can
We
everyone?
can't see your screen.
Oh.
Sorry, ma'am, we can't see your screen.
Okay, okay.
We can't see its screen.
You've downloaded it.
Okay, did you install? So once you install,
Yes, we have installed.
so click on this one. Can you all see this? PBI desktop setup X64. If you click on here and then you can see this one. Otherwise, you can click on in the downloads folder. See, there is a folder here, downloads folder, and then you will see this. Double click on that. Once you double click on that, it will say English. So click on next. If anyone is having issues installing it, Krishna, please don't type in the chat.
It is not installing for me.
Who is this? Danushka.
Yes.
What do you have, Chromebook or laptop?
Chromebook.
Chromebook, yeah, it won't work for Chromebook. You have to use laptop. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, Kritika, do you have issue, right? Yeah. Adya.
Can you just It's not letting me. It's not up to me.
Can you just do you want the link again, Adya?
Can you send it to the WhatsApp? It's not opening on the downloads.
Oh,
Can
it's
you
not
send-
opening in downloads. So if you go into the Windows Explorer, File Explorer,
Not through it.
and then go into downloads, you will find that here. Double click on that. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, double click and then you will get a small window saying English.
Yo, I'm also having problems, man.
Who is that? Nigam. Okay. Did you download the file?
I have MacBook.
Oh, Mac, yeah, you can't then. You need to use Windows laptop. Yeah.
What do I do then?
Yeah.
What do I do if it doesn't work? What do I do if it doesn't work?
You can't use maybe when we start the you can use Power BI service. Whoever is not having Windows laptop, you don't do anything for today. We can use something in the Power BI service. Okay, I'll show you how to do that for next class.
I
Divya.
downloaded it and I'm on Power BI.
So in the auntie,
Yeah.
after you push next on English,
Yeah.
it asks you, do you want to allow this app to make changes?
Yes. Say yes. Yes for that. Do you want to allow means say yes.
Okay.
Is everyone in this screen now? Whoever is installing?
I've finished installing.
Okay, that's good. Yeah.
I finished.
Okay, so
Finished
now
too.
I'm just going to.
Woman, do we have to go on the files or do we have to go on the app?
Viona, for you, it's already installed, so you don't have to worry about it. Okay? Are you using
Okay.
mom's laptop?
Yeah.
Wait, do I?
Yeah, yours is already installed.
Okay.
Who else is?
It is not working.
Katik, do you have an issue? Charishma,
It's not working for me.
not working. What are you using? Windows laptop or
I'm
Chromebook
using my
or
Chromebook
huh?
because my
Windows laptop?
laptop's not. I mean, I'm using my Chromebook because my laptop's not working.
Okay. Okay, let's have a look at yours after the class, okay? Okay, so now Abhi.
I'm not sure if I downloaded the right thing. It just says Power BI desktop. Is that correct?
Yes, yes. Yeah, okay. So now I'll
I downloaded
continue.
it from the Microsoft Store instead of the chat
So,
box
yeah,
because the
store
chat box
means you will
wasn't
get
loading it.
yeah.
Is that okay?
That's all. That also is okay. No worries.
Even
Okay.
I did that as well.
Okay, Abhi, that is okay. Charishma.
I've downloaded it, but it's just not letting me go in for some reason.
You are using Chromebook, right?
I'm using Windows.
Windows laptop?
Yeah.
So did you double click on the file? Did you find the file?
I found the file and I clicked it, but it says that I can't go because I had a hard drive.
Go ahead. Are you using a
Okay,
Linux?
let's have a look at your this thing after. Okay.
Are you using a Linux operating system on your Windows laptop?
No.
Okay. Who else? Adya?
Even if I download it, it's still looking the same as when I click the link.
Did you install or not?
I'm trying to, but it's not letting me.
So you are not in the screen like this.
I'm able to do that, but once I click yes to the changes, it's just going gray.
Okay, okay.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Let me have a look after the class, okay?
Excuse me, ma'am.
You have administrator permissions?
Yeah, you need for installing.
Excuse me, ma'am. I got into Power BI and it's showing me how to get started.
Yeah. That's good. Yeah, keep just be on that screen, okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm just going to proceed and then I'll install. I have to accept these terms in the license agreement. Just have a look at the license agreement and then go next and then go install, okay?
So where do you click on that screen?
So if you go here in your downloads, you need to click on the
Yeah, I've already
done that.
I've already gone.
Okay. Just let me install and then I'll show you.
That.
Yeah, let me install and then I'll show you. Okay, anyone else is having any problems?
Me.
Okay, did everyone install?
No.
Okay,
No.
let's see.
No.
Mine's installing.
No.
Okay, mine is also installing. Okay, any questions? Are you all excited or not?
No.
Yes.
Now?
Very much excited.
Yes, I'm really excited.
Me too. Me too.
Me three. Me three.
Me four. Me four.
Me five. Me five.
Me six.
Me six. Me six.
Me seven.
Me seven.
Me eight.
Me nine.
Me 9. Me 10.
All right, stop it.
Me 20. Me 20.
Me infinity. Me infinity.
Stop.
I'm not able to download it.
Who is not able to download?
I'm not able to install it. Not
Okay. Okay, okay. Let's have a look at your this thing later.
It's not working for me.
I can't download it.
Yo, me too.
Huh? I can't download it.
Yo, me too.
I don't have a laptop. I have right now. I'm using a phone. Tomorrow I'll get my laptop and do it because my laptop is somewhere. I don't know where it is.
You're muted.
Let's you're on mute.
You're muted.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, so I think Usha means Vivek, right?
Yeah.
Vivek, you are not able to download. You can't download on your phone. Okay.
Wait.
So you need to use your laptop during the week because you will have 1 week for the next class. Okay. By that time you install it and then keep it. Okay. And if you need any help during the installation, you text in the chat. Okay. One of us will help you. Okay.
Okay.
In the WhatsApp chat.
I'll download it tomorrow.
Okay. Yeah.
Same.
Okay. No worries. Vihan,
Yeah, I also
Gatik, what is the issue?
Oh no, I'm just telling that install them.
How many lessons are there after the holidays?
I'm installing it.
Depends on what you want to do. Okay. And Charishma, yeah.
I downloaded it and I went into the files, but it's not accepting me.
Ma'am, everything of mine is done. Means what? Means wherever you are right now, we are showing. I'm right
Okay.
there.
Okay. Okay. Now, whoever is having problems, we will do it after the class. Okay. Let's try and do something now. Okay. So now, to open the Power BI desktop, you need to go into Power BI. So into the desktop. I think it already opened for me. So here, see, there is a shortcut here. You can double click on that. I won't double click because it's already opened for me. And it is saying getting started. And then if I have any open Power BI files, it's going to show me that. Okay. Now let's all click on the blank report here. Can you all see the blank report?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
right. So click on the blank report.
Yes.
Okay. Now.
Yes.
Can you all see this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, what we will do is.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
I can't really see it. Your screen is off on mine. Oh.
Can others see?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. So whoever is having issue, just log out of Teams and then join back again.
It's actually working now. So can you please repeat that?
Okay. So if you want to start Power BI, like any other application, there is a shortcut in the desktop that will be created when you install, and you double click on this Power BI desktop shortcut, and this is what it opens. And I think you will have a get started screen. There, can you see blank report?
Yes.
Click on the blank report.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I'll just explain you a little bit of the interface today. Okay. So here you have something here, right? There are some little bit of icons here, right? So the first one is called report view. The second one is called table view. And the third one is called model view. Okay, before this, and then what happens is this tool is good for visualization, right? So that means you need to have some kind of data first, right? What is the flow? You need to have some kind of data. And in what form can you have data? Can anyone
Any
tell
form.
me?
Sophie.
Huh?
Miss?
Sophie.
There are many different types. There are many different types in which you can visualize data, such as pie charts or
Yeah, but you
graphs.
need to have some kind of source. It's called source, right?
I think
What
it would
kind
be
of
from
source can you? Yeah.
Excel sheets.
Yes, very good. Excel sheet is one. And in any other sources?
Database sheet.
What do you mean by database sheet?
I mean data table.
Yeah, data table. Data table will be in either Excel sheet, or you can even have in a text file or a CSV file. Do you know what a text file and a CSV file is? Can anyone tell me what it is?
No.
Okay.
A
Text
text
file.
file is a file with raw text.
Yeah, with raw text. So you can have text file. For example, I'm just creating a text file now. So I'm creating that in a application called Notepad. Okay. Here. Okay. Here, what you can see is, let's say I'm just creating a text file for, let's say, okay, name. This is the header I'm creating, and I'm saying name, class, teacher name, and school name. Okay. And then I'll ask you to fill these. So for example, whoever, Adya is the, and then let's say year 9 or year 7, whatever, I don't know. And then teacher is Tanuja, and school name is Maths, whatever. I'm just thinking. Yeah.
My whole Microsoft software crashed. So, can you resend the link in chat?
Yeah, sure. I will do that later. First, you listen, okay? Because I'm trying to explain something. So just listen, and then we can do that later. Okay. Now this is a text file, and when I save this, see when I am saving this one, see it saves as a txt star.txt, right? That is the text file. That is what is called the text file. Okay. I'm not saving it now. I just want to explain what a text file is. So I'm just explaining you. So this also can be used as a file instead of an Excel file. And also I'm going to say another one, which is called CSV. CSV means comma separated value. So that file will have a lot of commas. What commas it will have is, see here, I'm just changing here. This is my header. Okay. What I'll say is, instead of having this space between the values, name, class, teacher name, school name, what I'll do is I'll just put comma, and then remove the name, and then class, comma, teacher name, comma, and school name. Okay. And then after this one, for the values, I can say Adya, comma, class is 7, comma, Tanuja, comma, and school name is Mags, and then at the end I'm just leaving it and then pressing enter, and then I'm entering next one. Let's say Akhil, comma, year 7 again, comma, and Tara is the teacher name, and then Auckland Boys, so AB Grammar School, whatever, ABTS. Okay. And then, so like that, you keep on adding your rows. Okay. Now, this one, when I save it, I have to save it. I can't save it as text file. I should be saving it as CSV. What is the name? CSV. Why is it called CSV? What is the full form of CSV?
Comma separated value.
Yes, very good. Yeah. So what I do is save as type. I will change that to all files, and then I give a name called data. data dot, I need to give the CSV here and then save it. Let's save it in a proper place. Yeah, it's okay. See data dot CSV, and then I'm saving it. So this is now showing it as data dot CSV, data CSV file. Okay. Now this we can import into the Power BI desktop. So we have learned data. We have learned about text files with the extension of TXT, and we have learned about what is this file?
CSV.
CSV, yeah. And also the other one that we all know about is
PDF.
PDF.
PDF also can be used, but we have earlier Excel, yes, that's what I was looking for. Okay, so now what we'll do is we will look at one of the data that I want to use to show you for you all to learn Power BI. So I will get that up.
Excuse me.
Yeah.
What does CVS mean?
CSV is
comma
separated value. So here we are separating each of the value with a comma. So that's why it is called comma separated value. My data set. Okay, so there is this one called movie metadata. And this is in, this is in a comma separated value file. Means what is the extension for that?
CSV.
I can't
CSV.
Yeah, you
I
can't
can't
see.
see the spotlight properly. No, I can't see the screenshot properly because you're spotlighted.
Spotlight? Who is spotlighted?
You are.
I am spotlighted. You
Yeah,
can't see the screen?
No, I can see the screen here, but it's really small.
Can you see now?
I can still, yeah, I can see it.
Okay. So see this is
now it's good.
You can see now, right? Okay. This is the comma separated values file. So now when you open a CSV file, it opens in Excel. If Excel is installed in your system, it will open in an Excel. It will open in an Excel file. Okay. Now let's look at what this file contains before we start using the Power BI desktop file. Okay, so here, what all can you see?
It says color and then it says director name.
Yeah, you can see the actors.
I can see
and-
rows and camels.
About different movies.
I can see rows and columns.
Is this
Yeah.
for actors? Is this actors?
I can see
Actors, genres are there, actors are there.
It says
Yeah.
cast.
genres, movies,
There's a
and
cast.
Movie title.
And
Yes.
the actors' names.
Yeah. Okay. Now let's try and understand what kind of data it is there. Can you all say that this is good data? This is not good data. This is data, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now here you can see what is this? What are these?
director name.
Sections.
Categories.
Not
data.
sections. These are called columns.
Columns.
These are called columns. And what are these?
Rows.
Rows, right? Columns are vertical, rows are horizontal. Okay. And you have what is this called?
A row.
This is called a header. Because every column needs to have a column name, right?
Header.
Yeah, header. So every column needs to have a column name, right? Yes.
Yes.
So for this B column, what is the name?
Director name.
Director name. And for this one, it is called
Actor
actor one. So for one movie, there will be 3 actors or 2 actors, right? So that one. And this one is how many
Actor
likes
three
are
Facebook
there for
likes.
actor 3?
Actor 3.
Okay, like that. So there is one row for each movie, right? Okay, so now I'm going to tell you about some concepts. Now this data, you know about columns and you know about rows. Everything that is horizontal is a row and everything that is a vertical is a column, right? Now in this you have all these text string like text columns, right? So these are called, there are two terms that you need to understand before we start doing anything with the data. One is called a fact, FACT, okay, fact, and the other one is a dimension. Okay, fact means you are trying to everything that is most of the things, not every, I can't say everything, most of the things that are numeric, most of the columns that are numeric are considered as facts. So for example, if you say number of runs for a footballer runs, I don't know. Yeah. So now score, okay, score is in numeric, right? Score is numeric, right? So that is called a fact. Okay. And what about this one? Number of critic for reviews. So how many have critiqued for reviews? So is that a fact or something else?
It's a fact.
It's a fact because
It's a fact.
it's a number, right? Mostly if it is a number, then it will be a fact, but not everything that is a number is not a fact. Okay, I'll get to that when it is called when it is not a fact. I'll get to that in this scenario itself. Okay, so now this is a fact. Duration is 178
What time?
Minutes.
178 minutes.
Time?
So 178 minutes is
I think
also a
fact.
fact, right? Because that is also numeric, right? And director Facebook likes. Is that a fact?
Yeah.
Yes.
It is.
Actor 3 Facebook likes?
Yeah.
It's not a number.
It's a fact.
It's not a number. It's a fact.
Okay. Now actor 2 name. Is that a fact?
No.
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 It's a fact.
Okay. So there is something else other than fact. That is called dimension. Dimension means, so for example, I am going to say, can you analyze the number of actor 3 Facebook likes by actor 3 name? There is a by word, right? So anything that comes after by is a dimension, and that will be mostly in, not in number. It's a alphabets. They'll be alphabets. So this is a name, right? Name is not a number, right? So that's why this is a dimension. Okay. And actor 1 Facebook likes. Is that a fact or a dimension?
Fact.
Fact. Okay. Now this one is gross. Gross is how much they have spent. The gross amount. Okay.
Fact?
That's a fact. Yeah, because it's number and then it is actual the budget, the amount they have spent. And genre. Fact or dimension?
Dimension.
Yeah, because there is no numbers here, so it's not a fact. Actor 1 name.
Dimension.
Movie title.
Dimension.
Number voted
Fact.
users. Yeah. Cast total.
Fact.
Actor 3 name.
Dimension.
And face number in poster. Oh my god.
Fact.
Number of faces in poster. Okay. And this one is plot keywords.
Dimension.
Movie Movie IMDb link. Dimension.
Dimension.
Yeah, okay. Now, number of users for review.
Fact.
Language.
Fact.
Dimension.
Dimension. Yes, not fact. Country.
Dimension.
Content rating.
Fact.
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 Dimension.
Dimension. I think
Normally
dimension.
there is numbers.
No, content rating is, what is it? Dimension or fact?
Fact.
Dimension. Very good. Okay.
Dimension.
Budget. Dimension.
Fact.
Okay. Now, title year.
Fact.
Is that a fact? Sure.
Yeah.
Think about it. What
Yeah.
did I say? I said for dimension, what I said was, so for example, if I want to say, okay, let's say number of, okay, how much did it cost? So budget by title year.
Dimension.
So yeah, why is it a dimension?
Because it's
Why is it a dimension? I want you to answer. Why did you think of it as a dimension?
It's a dimension because it makes
Yes.
no sense if you just
Yeah.
divide the title. Yeah.
Yeah. So see, when you think of fact, what you need to do is you need to consider, can we sum this? What does it mean if we sum if you do a sum of it? If you do a sum of it, can we does it make sense? So
No.
when there is a year, even though it is number, that cannot be a fact because you cannot summarize years, right? So for example, if you want to analyze what was the budget spent by year, then you can't summarize year, right? 2009 plus 2007 plus 2015, you cannot do that, right?
Yes.
Understanding?
Yeah,
I think
but you
it
can do
would be
average.
like
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, so anyone who didn't understand?
no.
I have a question.
Is it about
Yeah,
like
question. What is your
find
question?
I understand it, but like what you said about like the 2009 and 2007 and 2015, like to summarize that, we could like do like calculate the mean of all of them.
You can calculate, but does it make sense? That's what is important to understand. Okay, does it make sense if you are summarizing? So for example, you have let's say you are counting number of cars that have been manufactured in 2007, 2008, 2009. Okay, and if you summarize the years 2007 plus 2008 plus 2009, does it make sense? What are you trying to prove there?
Nothing.
Yes,
the times just 60 60.
understood?
60
Yes or no?
million.
Katik, yes.
Wait.
Sorry.
Katik and Yonita, do you have any questions? Katik is okay. Yonita, do you have any question?
Yeah, I just wanted to ask, like, is the fact and dimension another terms for numerical and categorical variables?
Yeah, not so much categorical variables. Yeah, you can call that as a in terms of data modeling. Those are the terms that we use. And for statistical analysis, the categorical variables and independent variables are those are the terms that are used. We will be doing some data modeling, so that's why I'm introducing these words called fact and dimension. Okay. Okay. Now, Zidan, do you still have question?
What if a number and a dimension was put together? Will that make a fact or a dimension?
Sorry. What? Can you repeat your question?
What if a number
or dimension was put together, will that make it a fact or dimension?
Okay, you are saying, like, for example, I think you are referring to this, right? Number and alphabet. It will definitely be a dimension, because you cannot summarize. Whatever you can summarize will be your fact. Okay?
Okay.
And you can summarize only integers, right? Only numeric values, rather than this one, right? Okay. So that is the reason year can't be, because year we cannot summarize. That is the reason this will be a dimension. Okay. Just remember when you are trying to do your visualizations.
Okay.
Okay. So now, yeah, movie, Facebook likes. This is the data that we are going to import. Okay. So now, is that one? How much? Okay. Okay, now I have just opened it, but I don't want to save it. Even if I send you this one, don't save it. Okay, if you save it, you will corrupt that one. So just go, don't save, and then let us. Okay, I will try and send it in the chat. To enable chat.
Can you send it to the WhatsApp?
Yeah, I'll send it to WhatsApp as well, and I'll send it to chat as well here. Just give me 1 minute. Let me enable chat and then.
Okay.
Questions for anybody? Q-U-E-S-T-I-O-N.
Okay, I think I'm going to send this in WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, okay? Okay, I'll send it in WhatsApp or email. First, let see what I'm doing, and then you can do it in that will be your homework in the holidays, okay? So here, my file type is CSV file, okay? So what should I do to get that in here? You are looking at the screen, right? You let me know with your brains. I know you are all sharp and you are very intelligent. What should I click to get the data into Power BI?
Is it import data
Import
from
from Excel.
Import data from Excel.
No, because our file is not Excel. Our file is CSV. So what do we do?
Is it
Paste data into the blank table.
Data from another source. The second one?
Put data to SQL.
Is it the blank table?
No,
Excel
not
data?
blank table. Not blank table. See, there is something called get data. Okay.
Get data from another. Get data
See,
from another source.
when you click on get data, you have something called text CSV. Okay. So that is what you need to click.
Did you forward it to the WhatsApp?
Yeah, I will forward it. After we'll finish in 5 minutes, then I'll forward it. But you just watch here, okay? And then choose where your data is. And I'm choosing movie metadata. And then I'm just going to open it. And once I open, see, it comes, the navigation comes, and then it is showing us all the columns and rows. Not all, only top 200 rows are being seen. But you are seeing this one, and then from here, just go to transform data. And once you click on transform data, there is another window that opens, which is called Power Query Editor. Okay. So now there are two windows. One is Power BI Desktop and the other one is Power Query Editor. There are two windows. You can do some transformations here. So the transformations that you can do is you can change the data types, which we will know about more in the next one, in the next class. You can remove columns, you can remove rows, all those things can be done. Okay.
Oh, you got scared. You got scared.
Okay, so now
What the heck? Why is she putting anyone playing netball? Oh my god.
okay, so now okay, so now see, this is the Power Query Editor. And once you are happy with the load, I think today at the moment I am happy with the load. What you do is you can just go close and apply and then close. So then what happens is it applies the changes, and then here in the data section you will see your table. See this one. Okay, so now see, when you open that, you will have all the columns in there, and then you can start. Okay, so I will send you the file now so that you can start playing around.
Wait, can you send the like the video recording or like
Yeah. I will send an email with the link to the video as well as the file. Okay.
Is it
And
through
whoever
WhatsApp?
Okay.
WhatsApp also I will do the same thing. I will send the same message. Okay.
I'm
Okay.
not
Now I think you all can leave. I think you might be sleepy as well. If you have any issues while you are doing the while you are importing the data, you can put your questions in the WhatsApp group. Okay, one of us will attend to that. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and whoever was having issues, please stay back. We will have a look at your issues. Others
Okay.
can leave. Have a good night.
No.
Can you add me
Thank
into the
you.
WhatsApp?
Bye, miss.
Thank you, Dad.
Thank you.
Can you
Thank
add me
you.
into the WhatsApp
Bye.
group?
Thank you.
Yes, Chrisot, I will add.
Okay. Bye.
You can leave now. You can. I did. No, I can see you're still on. Only in the news.
It's okay.